There we go. This part... Stop, Destiny. Just wait, please. This is busted here. These are broken off here. And all of this. Both of the hands are now broken off the clock, and they didn't send the hands back with it.
There's little pieces in the box here.
This should go on that somewhere.
Don't touch me.
This here is broken.
Show it again.
This here. See if you look on this side.
Mm-hmm.
And this is, it looks like they took something and just jammed it in there. This, where's the bird? The bird should have sat like this here at the top. And you can see that they've ripped it off and broken here.
Can I see this?
That's completely
This
destroyed
sickens
now.
me.
It's completely destroyed.
That's a piece out of the inside.
That goes right here.
Yep, you're right. And this should have been the back.
And that was all secure.
Yeah.
That was an intact cuckoo clock when it was shipped. A working intact cuckoo clock.
Okay, cut it.